आज किस तरह से अहम योजनाओं को राष्ट्र को समर्पित किया जाएगा।
Token of respect, a terracotta artwork.
அவர்கள் பத்மஸ்ரீ விருது வென்ற கைவினை கலைஞர்
மிகப்பெரிய தடுப்பூசி இயக்கத்தை எடுத்துச் சென்று நமது நாட்டின் பெருமையை உலகெல்லாம் ஒலிக்கச் செய்த ஒளிபடைத்த சுகாதார திட்டம், பொருளாதார திட்டம், வாழ்வாதார திட்டம் அத்தனை திட்டத்தையும் நமக்கு கொடுப்பதற்காக மரியாதைக்குரிய பாரத பிரதமர் நரேந்திர மோடி அவர்கள்
the largest infrastructure creation drive in our history. India is contributing towards a prosperous and resilient world through the clarion call of an Atmanirbhar Bharat.
Under the visionary leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, the resolve to build a self-reliant India is infused today across sectors, including the sector of tourism, which is full of immense potential. To harness limitless possibilities the tourism sector offers, several initiatives have been taken in the last 7 years. An important step towards this vision is the effort to preserve the heritage of Puducherry. The iconic Mary, the town hall.
நமது மாண்புமிகு பிரதமர் அவர்களை வரவேற்பதில்
has been home to sages, scholars, and poets. It also became home to revolutionary of Mother India. Mahakavi Subramaniam Bharati stayed here. Sri Aurobindo set foot on this shore. Puducherry has a presence on India's western and eastern coasts. The government of India has made many efforts to improve rural and coastal connectivity. The agriculture sector will gain from this. Across India, our farmers are innovating. It is our duty to ensure that produce gets good markets. Good roads do exactly that. The 4-laning of the road will also draw industries in this area and generate job opportunities for local youth. Friend, prosperity is closely linked to good health. In the last 7 years, India has made many efforts to improve fitness and wellness. In this context, I am delighted to lay the foundation stone for 400 meters synthetic athletic track at the sport complex here. This is a part of the Khelo India scheme. It will nurture sporting talent among the youth of India. Sport teaches us teamwork, ethics, and above all, it teaches us sportsman spirit. With the coming of good sport facilities to Puducherry, youth from this state can excel in national and global sports meets. The 100-bed girls' hostel constructed at Lospet, inaugurated today, is one more initiative to help sporting talent. This hostel will accommodate hockey, volleyball, weightlifting, kabaddi, and handball players. The hostel student will train under SAI coaches. The great Tiruvalluvar has said, Kedil Viliche Lavam, Kalvi Oruvarku, Madalna Matarai Evai. Learning and education are the true wealth, while all other things are not stable. To promote quality health care, we need quality health professionals. Phase 1 project of medical college building at Karaikal, new campus is a step in this direction. This new environment-friendly complex will have all modern teaching facilities required for teaching MBBS students. Friends, the coast is the soul of Pondicherry. There is so much potential in fisheries port development, shipping, and a blue economy. I am honored to lay the foundation of Puducherry port development under Sagarmala scheme. Once completed, it will help our fishermen who have been using this port for venturing into sea for fishing operations. It will provide much needed sea connectivity to Chennai. This will facilitate the cargo movement for industries of Puducherry and each load of Chennai port. It will open up possibilities of passenger traffic among the coastal cities.